Hi, third graders, it's Miss Marla. So today we're doing lesson 14.3 on bar graphs. Whenever you're doing a bar graph, make sure you put the number at the top. So we're gonna look at the graph, we look at the title, we look at the label. We see the title is Hockey Goals Scored by Players. And then we have our label here, the number of goals. We have our label on the bottom, name of player. And then notice on this graph, they're counting by twos, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then we have the names. And notice what I did. To make it easier, I wrote the number on top of the bar. And so Alex had 9, Cindy had 7, Jack had 4, and Reggie had 8. And so whenever you have a bar graph, or any type of graph, put the number above, because then it'll make it easier when you answer the questions. And so when we look at question number 1, it says explain how to find how many more goals Alex scored than Cindy. And since we put our numbers at the top, it makes it really easy. So we look over here, Alex had 9, and then Cindy had 7. And so when it says how many more, what do? You got it, we subtract. And so we would subtract 7 from 9 to get 2 goals. Okay, and so again, by labeling your graph, it makes it very easy. Number 2, how many goals in all did Alex and Reggie score? So when we hear in all, what are we gonna think? You're right, addition. So we look over here, Alex had 9, and then Reggie has 8. Now when you add, does it matter what order? No, you're right, commutative property. So when we add 9 plus 8, what do we get? Yep, 17. Good, 17 goals. Okay, and so by looking at our bar graph, we can find the answers to the problems. All right, so then when we look at the rest of the lesson, you have the independent practice. So there you have a pictograph. Now on a pictograph, make sure you pay attention to the key, because on that pictograph, for each light bulb, it was 10 hours. So you've got to pay attention to that. And so then if a whole light bulb is 10 hours, then a half would be, of course, 5. Good. And so look at that. And then on the back, again, do number 8, and then you can pick one other problem or you can do them all. So remember now, the practice lesson is considered recommended. So I'm not requiring it, but you're gonna be better off if you do those, because it'll help prepare you for the topic 15 test, and it'll help you for next year when you're in 4th grade. So anyway, remember, reach out if you have a question. Talk to you soon. Bye.